Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. We'll guide you through how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is super useful because you may not want your computer to be doing updates to. Go and do it. All you need to do is go and click on the Windows button at the bottom and click on Settings. If you can't see it, you can always search for. In those settings, head over to the left and locate Windows Update. You meant to scroll down to go and see it, and then all you need to do is go into More Options and you'll see the option for Pause Updates. You can come over to the right here and you can click on Pause for a week, or click on the arrow and you can extend the time frame. For example, here I could click on Pause for 5 weeks, and just like that, as you can see, updates now paused until the 6th of June. For me, it'd be different for you. Could be a different date. And that's it. You've now gone and stopped them for that time frame. It's that simple. Make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with more guides, including Windows and many other topics as well, and they're already turn on the channel, which you can go and check out as well.